teams on Masapano, Senor Moa, and the Obia Sansi on Mobacope. So to lose to Royal Antwerp, I think that to me, it raises a lot of eyebrows. And I will see a bit of questions. You're right. Barca fans should appreciate the fact that Omu team standards are dropping. But standards and drop it to the extent that you lose to Royal Antwerp. So you need to probe into it. You lose to Shakhtar Donetsk, you need to probe into it. Baby, I also hear right. Away from that, Abu, me video of Michael Hamilton.
Yes.
There is not much of a difference in terms of excitement. Menka quality, menka standard.
Yeah.
Enijia yenya ewo bo muno. Difference be nim, but for some 1 or 2 reasons. Bakon, say yene. You will be a fan of archiving. See the idea is for future reference, documentation. See a throwaway na ba be yen kaide dachibino. Yeni enimiye.
Dabi.
And there are so many memorable football moments ya encounter. But see a be archive, say a video, say a boot, say a ball, say a jersey, see a better one, yeni enimiye. And I say a better yenimiye. And on our brofone no mostly and more football stories in the cano. But yes, or game no damn yedi especially for community-based games, Yes, a community way, Division 2 way. I am no more the excitement and the buzz around it. Tama mimi so ame bobo ye. Ebimu koku kotre. Na the kotre na baso ni ane de atopo mu. And there by a big football story to tell. And kotre ne da po ni mu a den se ball ne ba akoto net mi.
Adana na for Abasa Ronaldo. Adana na for there.
School time.
Abasa Ronaldo no be nya school time. That na for there. That time na ni ekuko trainer.
Na me share den nya.
Na unya di ya.
Me busu ni me na masapa.
Sa.
Yeah.
I don't feel so ball pa.
Yeah, me say family ni na me na.
On WhatsApp pa. And I'll cry our boy abinya Abasa Ronaldo.
Yeah, me na masapa.
Oh, okay.
Na me nua ba kra ni bobo se me.
Only about me, I'm a tenenka.
No, Ukrainian bob.
As an old bob.
Now, me there's a born in Nimba.
I want dinner when ya.
So, the stories there, Cano. Michael Hamilton story way. CS will be a ball boy. Now, ball boy, and I will to me, Babira senior team. There were more than 100 of such stories or Yene football league system in times past, even present, to Benyabisa. But in me, can ye because ye are not kekenebeka. But ye evidence via the better home. This is a throwback to 2017, Manchester City and Crystal Palace. So a share video nasia. Oben was say Pep Guardiola any ball boy be air kasa. Ball boy no on any kasano. On any Michael Hamilton and the kind of wasem. So fast forward from 2017 to 2023. This time we did 13 years. Now we did 20 years and 30 days. We have won the first senior game in the Champions League for Manchester City, and then he capped it off with a goal. Osansu we need penalty de boy. It is a beautiful story to tell. But story now yet dead to the extent that you will video it out. You will pictures a war. Enti ya pe beko ye chini akwa akokai anti akwada we na Pep ni ni din komo na ndo no wa be Man City jesia or bono. So let's learn from this. Way a beautiful story, a inspiration that me should be crying. But what actually matters here is that we have similar stories to tell. But you knew who akadiana ebema story no. I there's a ye diane na nchininim. Ye ni nchinin na yedebe gum me diane na ate. That is our problem, and we need to learn from it. But the best free boy we mu diane say he's somebody who has worked for this position. Amba by chance from a ball boy. He started to also work hard. So from under 13, Obeba from 15 level, 17, 18 years. As a 17, no Man City squad ni training.
Wow.
But the career never slow down kakra due to injuries. But he will bounce back. And on a year Man City, I'm 23, I'm captain.
Wow.
Then he gets the chance. Sebe Boma senior team in the Champions League game. Washe go, ewini penalty. Go no share, Wabe the 5th Englishman, or the youngest to score on their debut in the Champions League. The last person to do that as a youngster was Marcus Rashford in 2017. So 2017, now we know, a ball boy. When this story, this will be another perspective. One, their perspective Ben America City Academy. I think it is one of the thriving football academies now.
No crepa.
And ratame a game no. Na 5 players are muka team no who we full time no. They were from the Man City Academy. 1, Oscar Bob. Onoze Shego Meboa.
Yes.
Then Michael Hamilton yo Shego. Rico Lewis Bebobi, Phil Foden Bobi, Anna Mahamadou Suso Onoso Bebobi. Now these 5 players are straight from the City Academy, so my academy product. Omo mabe Remabo City team no. Ebi Kraswe Jahoko, ebi Krambo City team no. Ebi Eko Palmer, Jadon Sancho, your Brahim Diaz. These are Manchester City Academy products. It means that the City Academy is thriving.
And Baku Oliver Kuzi, Ghana Dino, Jeremy Frimpong Sophia. So
the name at the Man City when it's almost to talk as here and the show team no. That narrative is gradually shifting. Now a movie called City United and so promoted it back when Manchester United the Jumano.
Yes.
Man United names and Comoyas are the way and they do it with excellence. Now a shift to Manchester City. Also signaling a power shift in the greater Manchester area and even in England, it's a CC club so. It also portrays City, a football group model, and they say the benchmark now.
Ghana no man can't choose it. So I call Twitter and I call Google. Now bo Manchester, the Dicambano,
City,
Manchester City, and I cannot therefore know. And then I cannot say, but
the story now is that Man City Football Group no ababe the model for when nanke basamo aneye academy nanko maba but when maba no a global football we are your clubs were and ya kaboma we are all moving with synchronization be a say the model when you boy no e ma bibia fa dia maye. So City, kudos to them.
It is almost Boma you for no power.
They've even gone beyond Man U.
It's almost quattro.
Yeah, they are the best in England now.
Ah, wow.
I'm gonna hear reference here.
Manchester City are 7 now.
Yeah, exactly. Now to the Champions League group stage now by the way, who teams are qualifying here. But one say Meshe Bibi as a concerning supporters, no, and our fans and then quite almost fast support your teams, no. So we'll do the concluding part of sa UCL fan air contest now, me. To start with, Galatasaray fans call the Danish capital of Copenhagen. Eko support your team. Oma kone nyo munkwane koe. Omo de bana koya. Bana no matro Free Palestine. Omo de tisi mountain so before park no. Omo ye a process. Omo na mabonte so omo kita bana no omo de nam. Obiya stop yo obiya ha omo because we mo kokka omo a entokwa. Omo we no omo de bana ne ko Ra Stadium. Or demonstration. It's a Free Palestine, also showing their solidarity to the people of Palestine. In the same stadium, a game we know. Na FC Copenhagen, almost supporters no. Bakubi from section 12. And this section 12 means that they are the 12 man behind the team. Into no team no so mu pia ko animu a. No mora no de ye. Now, sad demonstrations here, for display during the group stage of the Champions League, donations, and they raised close to $30,000.
Wow!
And it's almost home be display tifa. Says it can't even no more year now in their game against Galatasaray, the Danish word sayer, HSA victory, SEJR. Intended display over and also more the change game ne cost no ya more my choreography no my practicals one chain into rehearsals no my no and on display when ti more time ye share more amote no be am page and the way fan the enko form so what the other the be form no a ye letters ni p ama bibia so super pepe. There is another way we can learn from these Europeans in terms of support to Zevenas Vader Red Star Belgrade omone Man City ne boy born and Casa de Omuji Tum say, see the two forms here, Bomuntini City for them more. And to Domo de Ombeya ne Ombe to Ayampia. Ombeka City for them poise. Moyenea ne Sikaba, Anna Masasa. Na time and ne Sikane really football. Yene, ya boya koye world champions, and it's true. The famous Zevenas Vader side, 1990-1991 European Cup, Omane Marseille, where be the Pele Jean-Pierre Papin, and the cup final. They had very excellent players. Then na the Federal Socialist Republic of Yugoslavia, anti Croatia waha, Bosnia Herzegovina, 6 republics in Yakabum. In the same league na no mobono. Ubenya Dinamo Zagreb. Ubenya Red Star Belgrade. So you had top class from these republics, representing a league system. So they had quality players. So Okay Dario Savicevic.
Yeah.
Sinisa Mihailovic.
Yes.
Robert Prosinecki.
Yes.
Omo boy in that 1990-91.
Omo was our squad in him.
Omo di penalties Etia Marseille. So when it was Yugoslavia, they were themselves. Into omo nim di omo kan say, yeni maybe a free na asemuntia. Asem no ebi esika because they don't have the financial power to match the elite in Europe now. Into omo ntimi no mba. Yebeka mompoa. Monhwe na moso monko kansem no emfancha manfo. Then the other one will be Bayern. Bayern fans no so ye protest. Now we know protest no we support. And can nobody say away fans ye protest. And can home fans also be BAT. But this time around, Bayern for the better to say na dey po na mo boye. O matcho £50 glazers and overkill. Overkill just say we dey make buya faso. Ni na say ticket prices na. Ya no mo gi omo before some measure omo game no. Omo yi say bro so bebre. Sika omo gi omo no entwe ye. Na ebi so atro 20 is plenty. Na omo ye we ni na no. Na home fans no so tell baby. Omo ma buy for the Casabian no mo start a chant. And that's how the omo carry your fabusu. Ye jemodi any tum na Glazers require pay to omo ntumo nkoso. And the Manchester United fans were giving the Bayern fans no more morale say demonstrate against the Glazers because agenda no more dia ba ye no more dia na case ni na ma bibia fa. And it was also one of the fun displays catching the attention during another exciting midweek of European Champions League action.
Mate, medanse pa my girls are Boadu. Lawyer no. Ma min ko Bishop Atapuku prof. Na menen to aso na mon star 256 star 3 hash. Star 256 star 3 hash. SOMPA sika promotion. Me twa na di. Na enche 500 Ghana cedis. Me de be ramo etimi da mo bi na. Waje me ba be so na me de ba kwa to aso. Bishop na bibia aboko dia.
Am ya dumo ye ho yara, ye ho ye pa na. Aba.
I don't know what Nigerians from Manu for Arenintia.
Oh, there be.
And I say, we are a Europa League.
Only number one course.
Na debut.
Better.
Okay.
Feniaji. Oh, Makumim.
A
baby girl or